Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what I believe is the best aroma pad set available right now for humidifiers. The Geyser 48-pack Humidifier Aroma Pads, specially designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Dreo models. If you're looking to upgrade your humidification experience and infuse your environment with your favorite essential oils, this might just be the perfect solution. First things first, let's talk compatibility. The Geyser Aroma Pads are made to fit a broad lineup of Dreo humidifiers. That's a wide net, which means whether you're using a compact desktop unit or a larger room humidifier, these pads are likely to work for you. Always double-check your model before buying, but chances are, if you're a Dreo user, you're covered. Now let's explore what makes these pads stand out. Each pad is crafted from pure natural fiber cotton. That means no synthetic fillers, no questionable chemicals, just clean, breathable material designed to diffuse essential oils safely. It's great to know that what you're putting into your air is as safe for your lungs as it is for your peace of mind. The material is not only eco-friendly but also body-safe, which is a big plus in today's health-conscious world. When it comes to performance, these pads are designed to retain essential oils and gradually release their fragrance over time, offering a consistent and long-lasting aroma experience. Whether you're using lavender for sleep, peppermint for focus, or eucalyptus for that spa-like vibe, these pads hold the scent well and deliver it evenly as the humidifier does its job. To get started, simply add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the aroma pad and insert it into the designated tray or compartment in your Dreo humidifier. It's a quick setup, and you'll start enjoying the aroma within minutes. The pads are thick enough to hold the oils but breathable enough to release the scent effectively without becoming soggy or clogged. Now, here's a tip straight from Geyser. For optimal scenting performance, it's recommended to replace the pad every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on how heavily you use your humidifier and which oils you're using. That means a 48-pack gives you a long-term supply. We're talking nearly a year of fragrance, even with frequent changes. It's excellent value, especially considering the price point and how much you might otherwise spend on smaller packs. A lot of other generic pads on the market are too thin, synthetic, or just not cut properly to fit into Dreo models. That's where this product shines. It's tailored for a snug, efficient fit that doesn't slip or get stuck. That means less mess, less waste, and a more efficient scenting process. Also worth noting is how easy it is to store this pack. The aroma pads come neatly packed, keeping them clean and dry until you're ready to use them. So whether you're stocking up for personal use or looking to gift something thoughtful to someone who uses a humidifier, this pack is practical, hygienic, and very easy to manage. So to wrap it all up, if you're on the hunt for a reliable, natural, and long-lasting aroma solution for your Dreo humidifier, the Geyser 48-pack Humidifier Aroma Pads are absolutely worth checking out. They're affordable, effective, and incredibly easy to use. This product has set a new standard in aroma diffusion accessories, and that's why it earns our title today as the best aroma pads for humidifiers. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more trusted product insights, and drop a comment below. If you've tried these pads or have any questions, thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next video.